other way.
So this is a private charter plane, so pretty much everybody's doing whatever they want to do. Look at this guy. There's no really just in your seat.
They call me out all the time. I'm not drinking my wine back.
Here's first class. Basically everybody's first class anyway, so people just pretty much have been sitting wherever they want to. And yeah, we are in mid-flight. And it's just the greatest experience ever right now. Like, some of the most amazing people are here. People sleeping. Why would you sleep on this flight?
The best is on those Asian airlines. Like they put the bottle of cognac on the cart.
This girl. No. Oh, there you go. Oh, yeah. It's on video. Yeah, y'all just smile. Yes.
You're posing for the video. Hey, well, how do you know I'm at first? It's a Johnny Walker. Video of the
What about 1
And nobody's on this flight because it's our plane, so we can do whatever we want. But yeah, we'll post this up later.